now that we know a little bit about S3, let's go ahead and create a bucket and actually upload an object into that bucket. So we're going to switch to the console view here, and we're logged in. The first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the S3 service dashboard. So I'm going to just click S3, and that brings up the management console for S3. And you can see we already have some buckets in here that our sample application's using. We're just going to ignore those. We're going to make a brand new bucket. To do that, it's really simple. I'm just going to create a bucket, and I'm going to name this bucket Morgan's Public Docs. Next, I'm going to just click Create Bucket, and that bucket will be available for us to upload objects into. Click Create, and as you can see, here it is. It's super simple to create a bucket. At this point, I want to actually upload a document into this bucket and then publicly access that document. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Morgan's Public Docs, and that brings us into our bucket. Right now our bucket is empty. We just need to upload an object. So I'm going to go ahead and select Upload, and I will browse to my document, which is in Documents. And I'm just going to upload this PDF for AWS Overview. Select Open, and then select Upload. All right, the object has now been uploaded into our bucket. So if I click on this object, I can see the different attributes of this object, like the owner, when it was modified, and you can also see down here, I have a link. This is our publicly accessible link to access that object. So if I click on this and open it in a new tab, you'll notice it says access denied. The reason for that is that all objects are private by default when you upload into S3. So if I want to access this document from the URL, I have to change the permissions on that object first. So let's hop back into the management console and change those permissions. To do that, I'm going to scroll up and select permissions. From here, I can scroll down and change the public access on this. I'm going to select everyone and allow read access to everyone. It's giving me a warning here. This object will have public access. This is letting you know that you only want to make documents public that deserve to be public. So I'll go ahead and click Save. Let's go back to our other tab, refresh the page, and I can now see my PDF document. All right, so this is a very simple way to upload and share objects with an S3 bucket. The easiest way to get to know S3 is to get into the console, create a bucket yourself, and have fun with it. We'll catch you in the next video.